Here's some beginnings of agriculture trivia. Subscribe. What does the term Neolithic refer to? Is it A, New Stone Age, B, Old Stone Age, C, Bronze Age, or D, Iron Age? The correct answer is A, New Stone Age. What was the main agricultural development in Egypt? Is it A, manual plowing, B, organic farming, C, crop rotation, or D, irrigation? The correct answer is D, irrigation. Which site is known for early farming evidence? Is it A, Stonehenge, B, Chichen Itza, C, Machu Picchu, or D, Çatalhöyük? The correct answer is D, Çatalhöyük. What crop did the Americas primarily cultivate? Is it A, wheat, B, barley, C, rice, or D, maize? The correct answer is D, maize. Which plant was first farmed in the Fertile Crescent? Is it A, quinoa, B, oats, C, millet, or D, barley? The correct answer is D, barley. Which crop is typically associated with ancient Greece? Is it A, coffee, B, olives, C, corn, or D, rice? The correct answer is B, olives. What innovation increased farming efficiency? Is it A, irrigation systems, B, pesticide application, C, organic farming, or D, manual tilling? The correct answer is A, irrigation systems. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.